Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Cocodor flower diffuser. First, carefully unpack your diffuser bottle and the beautiful flower reeds. Next, gently remove the inner plastic stopper from the fragrance oil bottle. This step is crucial for the scent to release. Finally, place the decorative flower reeds directly into the oil. Allow a few hours for the reeds to fully absorb the fragrance and begin diffusing the lovely aroma throughout your space. For the best experience, choose an optimal spot for your diffuser. Select a stable, flat surface, ideally away from direct sunlight, which can evaporate the oil too quickly. Position the diffuser in a well-ventilated area to ensure the scent circulates effectively. However, avoid placing it near open windows or air conditioning vents, as strong drafts can also accelerate evaporation and diminish the fragrance's presence. A central location often works best. To maintain a consistent and delightful aroma, a little care goes a long way. Flip the reeds every few days. This refreshes the fragrance and helps the oil diffuse more efficiently. For optimal performance and scent throw, it is recommended to replace the reeds every 2 to 3 months, as they can become saturated over time. Always remember to keep your diffuser out of reach of curious children and playful pets for safety. You can easily customize your scent experience. To adjust the fragrance intensity, simply add or remove a few reeds. More reeds mean a stronger scent, while fewer reeds create a more subtle aroma. Consider using different fragrances for various rooms to create unique ambiances throughout your home. With proper care, your Cocodor diffuser will provide a continuous, subtle aroma for several weeks, enhancing your living space beautifully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.